Okay, here's a quick update on the microgreen seeds that I started as a test. This is the first time using these trays that I got from Amazon, and the pea seeds here are looking really good. So I'm really happy with how these are turning out. They're ready to harvest now. This is with no nutrients, it's just water in the trays underneath. No soil, no mats, no anything. So if you look under here, roots are going into the water. There's no nutrients in the water, it's just plain old water. And this is about, I believe this is 9 days since I started the seeds, since I put the seeds on the tray and tried to get them to germinate. This is 9 days. So it goes pretty fast, and you can have this. This wasn't a full tray of seeds, but if it was, you would have a full tray of pea microgreens to harvest. So I'm gonna cut these off in the next few days and start eating them. On the other hand, I also did radish seeds. Tried to do the same method. I had to put paper towels down so the seeds wouldn't go through. And these are looking pretty sad. So something didn't work out with these smaller seeds. I don't know what the problem is. It's probably my fault, but it was a test, and I'm gonna write all this down and try to do better next time. But the roots, not much root structure going through, but I have other types of microgreens that I'm going to try on these trays, and we're going to see what works. But definitely the pea microgreens are a big success, and so I know that that'll work in the future. Keep following along for more tests and different kinds of seeds.